Hi there, students. Delectation. Okay, delectation's a noun. I think most usually uncountable, but it could be countable. It means great pleasure, great delight. We particularly use it in the phrase for somebody's delectation. So for your delectation, I have made a fabulous meal. For the delectation of the audience, we have a new singer. Okay, I see a compere saying, and for your delectation, we now have the great Benini brothers or whatever. So delectation, enjoyment, pleasure, delight, entertainment. This is for your delectation. For the delectation of the children, I told some stories. Yeah, I told some of Aesop's fables, and to their delectation, they were great. I've got all sorts of goodies for your delectation, for your enjoyment, for your gratification, for your happiness, for your satisfaction, for your delight. Yeah. For your relish even, yes, very definitely. So delectation, delight, entrancement, enjoyment, for your pleasure, for your satisfaction. My mum cooked a special cake for my delectation, yeah, for my joy, for my enjoyment, for my pleasure. The delectation of being with you is so great that I just can't describe it. I hope you take great delectation in this video, yeah? Because it's made for your delectation. Well, it's probably made for your education, but if there's some delectation as well, that would be a good thing, because it will keep you watching. Okay, so delectation, delight. So this sandwich is a delectation. It's a great pleasure. It's absolutely delicious. These products are made for the delectation of our younger audience. To his delectation, there were presents for him under the Christmas tree. Yeah, to the delectation of the children, Father Christmas had left some fantastic things. Delectation, this is quite a formal literary word. I think I would probably give it a status of a literary word. I can say, let's see, I wouldn't normally use this in an informal conversation. I'm going to give it a 7, although an MC or a compere might use it to introduce somebody, but they often use rather formal language. Use it in an essay, yeah. For the delectation of all around, she started to sing, particularly with this, for the delectation of somebody or for somebody's delectation. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin through French. Okay, there's a Latin verb, delectare, meaning to please. So delectation, the pleasing of. Okay, so I hope you took great delectation from my explanation of this video. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, you can show your delectation by giving it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Delectation.